Good morning. It's a beautiful morning here today, and we are going to get started on this kitchen build. We took delivery of some lumber from Home Depot 2 days ago, I think, but it's been raining, constant rain around here lately. But today we're going to get some posts and beams put up. We've got all the lumber for the walls and the roof. We do not have the siding or the metal for the roof, but we've got all the studs and rafters and all that. So we're going to get started today. We're going to try to get some walls put up, see how far we can get today, and then we'll have to recover it, try to keep some of the rain off of it. The rain is destroying the floor that we've done. But let's see what we can do today. Of our ant. Alright, got most of that lumber out of the way. Now, oh, we do need to cut them. We need to uncover the saw. So we need to cut them 74 inches. 74. Should be 6'2". I don't know, what did you do with it? He's inside getting some food. Sorry, we're on our own today. Are we ready for this? How come I got stuck?
Just gotta lift it up. It's stuck on its own.
74, 74, 74, right there. Why don't you screw this onto the 4x4 and hang it down a little bit, and then when we put it up there, it'll come up against here.
Well, I'm just going to screw it back here flat.
Yeah, but if we do it on here, it'll hold it where it needs to be. There. There. Okay. All right, next corner. Here. hold on to that and let me check the plans. Supposed to be 124 from outside to outside. I think it's supposed to be on the other side of that. Yep, it goes on the other side. It's hard to make sure you're down low enough so it'll reach, but up high enough so you get a good bite.
The flying machine.
No, we gotta read the directions. I couldn't get it to go forwards, backwards. It doesn't even come down when you let go of the button. Like you can shut off the controller and it still don't come down. Now, if this is, it should be close to this line, but it won't be on that line.
It's supposed to be 140.
Inside to be on the 4x4. Alright, to me, 1/8 of an inch.
This side first. I knew that. I was just testing you. Whoa!
Alright, so we need to cut these 124 inches long. Okay, 124 inches. $124. Right? 124. Because we went from outside to outside was 124. Right?
Right.
Making sense? We want to make sure we're not messing anything up. And I have no power. Ready. This is another brace piece. I'll set it over here. Ah, shoot, the battery's dead in this.
Over there. Was the best place I saw it.
Batteries are always dying in the cameras. Sorry. Alright, let's see. So we were doing 124 inches, which we did. And then we need to do a half lap on both ends. 5/8. Okay, so we want to go to there, and we only want to take it halfway out. You ready?
Yeah.
right, chisel.
Don't get too deep.
I was on the line. Wood is wet, so it doesn't cut very well.
That and that chisel looks like it needs sharpened.
There we go. Okay, now one of these ends, now we got to cut it down this way. Okay, so half of 3 5/8 was 1 13/16. Perfect.
Not a bad saw for an antique. Huh?
Yeah, no kidding. Okay, other end.
Yeah, and if you cut it straight, watch where we go there.
Yeah, it's all marked. Up. Turn it. She's a beaut. Ouch. That funky one goes in the middle.
Which way is it going? This way or this way?
Turn it around. Okay, now up. The lap goes down, not up. Gets another board on top still. That's weird. Are you sure you're square on that?
Yeah. Well, it works for me.
End and back?
Move things around. Good for me.
I don't dare put another one in that.
One's probably tiny because it's going to get that.
Gonna get that. Okay. Let's see what's next. Okay, take that one. All right, you can bring that one on over to the kitchen. Bring it on over. Okay. Now, we need this thingy. We got a tit on the end. Okay. Let me put our guide on. Well, don't you want to lay it down first for me to put the guide on?
I was trying to pick a. I don't guess it has a good side.
Put the. Well, the outside is going to get covered with siding, so let's put the worst side. Yeah, see, put this on the outside.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's good. Whoops. Okay, that looks good.
Cheers.
Okay. By the way, I was looking at the picture. This is supposed to get 2 screws. I know you don't know your rights from your lefts, but it's on the other side.
My other left.
Yes. All the way in.
Oh, hammer.
Yeah.
You got that one tight, baby.
You gotta go that way though.
I know. I can see that.
Okay.
Half the board. Do we have another hammer?
Got lots of hammers. Go grab
How
one.
come there ain't none of them out here where I need to work?
That's not a hammer.
Yes, it is. That's what that is. Seriously, that's what happened.
Get her?
Darn tootin'.
All right, screw me. I mean, give me some screws. Okay. No big deal.
I'm guessing here. So.
It might work. Take the bottom one out.
Board goes all the way to the nothing?
The board goes all the way to the nothing. That was good, babe. Now, what was you what was you really trying to say?